Making this quick video talking about Liveops, y'all. And it has been slow. There have been no available shifts to pick up. So this is why it's so very important to have multiple streams of income. Not going to talk about the notary business, but it has been slow as well. So that's why I try to emphasize to you all, make sure when you pick a work from home job, you for one pick one that's compatible with your behavior, your mannerisms, your personality, right? Liveops is a work from home 1099 independent contractor. They have those type of positions where you kind of work when you want to work and work in 30-minute increments, right? I value you work whenever there's work available, which is a great platform to work for. So let's talk about Liveops. That's the reason why I made this video. What am I doing now that Liveops, there's no work, there's nothing on shift board to select. So what am I doing? I am utilizing my notary commission. I am utilizing my Walmart Spark app. I am utilizing my DoorDash app. I am utilizing my Lunch Drop app. And I am recreating my eBay listings on eBay. I got a message today from a potential customer asking about an item that I had listed on my eBay store, in my eBay store. So that's what I'm trying to share with you all. When you working from home, if you don't have a set job that has like 8 to 9, 9 to 5, or whatever hours that there are, you work like I work. These jobs can end at any time. Even if you do have a work from home job, that contract can end. That employer can go out of business. So that's why it's very important to have multiple streams of income, y'all. Even YouTube, they could cancel your channel just like that, and you have to go back and forth to figure out why your I had got a call why your account has been terminated. So today I just signed up with Prolific survey site. It's a wonderful survey site. I've already cashed out, I think, $5 or $7, right? Just answering surveys. Well, I go on this morning to show my son. My son's like, Mom, how can I make some money during Christmas break? I said, well, sign up for this site right here. Y'all, I go onto Prolific site. My account's on hold. Now, why is my account on hold? You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying it's very important to have multiple streams of income. So you all that sign up for Liveops for a particular client, just know that, don't give up. Keep looking for applying for different work from home jobs. Yeah, that's what I have to tell you. Just keep applying for different work from home jobs. I hope this helps y'all. For real, don't give up. Just keep marketing yourself with your notary business. Go out when it's busy times for DoorDash, Walmart Spark, Lunch Drop, GoPuff. If you can get all those platforms, every little bit helps, y'all. Every little bit helps.